Welcome to 5-Minute First-Time Buyers Consultation in a COVID-19 Marketplace. My name is Marilee Norden. I'm a realtor with eXp in Sedona and the Verde Valley of Arizona, and today I'm going to discuss the new rules, what to expect, and what it means to get your ducks in a row in a COVID-19 marketplace. For years, millennials especially, have been looking for some online solutions to purchasing a home. And the industry has responded really by not responding. However, this unique moment in time has actually created a real need for a new kind of experience. So you're likely going to be meeting your realtor in some sort of a video chat, and this will be your constant form of contact as well as your main tool for seeing homes. You'll likely have your initial showing for any home as a virtual tour. And the listing agent, if they're worth their salt, they will have invested in some kind of a virtual walkthrough tour. And get used to these going forward, guys. Most sellers are requesting that buyers first attend a virtual walkthrough tour and only come to the house if the house is truly on the short list of purchase choices. You may be asked to present a COVID-19 disclosure to enter the home for a physical showing. And you also may be asked to take your temperature to confirm that you don't have a fever. You will absolutely be asked to wear a mask and gloves, and you will probably be asked to leave your shoes on the front porch. You're likely going to be met by the listing agent at the driveway, as many sellers are now asking us to take on this additional duty to ensure that, first of all, buyers are bringing and wearing their PPE, and that we take a moment to explain that you as the buyer may not touch anything in the house. This includes, guys, doorknobs, faucets, light switches. They want us to do all of that and then sanitize the home once you leave. So remember that you also have to do the dirty before you get to the sexy, guys. People often call a realtor and they say, I want to buy a home, and the expectation is that you're going to find the home, then the lender's going to give you some money, and then the realtor's going to give you some keys. But it hasn't worked that way in the past, and it's not going to work that way in this new marketplace. You absolutely must talk to a lender before you go shopping, because you can't go shopping without a budget and a wallet. And most realtors now will refuse to show you a home if you don't have that pre-qualification form. This is for really good reasons. First and foremost, you don't have any way of proving that you can actually finish a purchase. And you're asking a professional who works for a living to give you their time for free. So if you walked into your job and your boss said to you, hey, I know that you normally get paid to do your job, but I don't know if I'm ready to pay you. So why don't you go ahead and work for the next 2 days for free? And if I still feel comfortable in about 2 months, I'll see about getting you paid. Is that cool? Of course, your answer is no. Keep in mind that when you talk to a realtor, you must have your proof of funds, which in this case is called a pre-qualification, and that form can only come from a licensed lender. Your realtor should also have some sort of a COVID-19 addendum on your offer to purchase the home, and they should also be able to explain those options to you. Be prepared for an extended purchase period, guys. The inspections and appraisals are taking longer to get scheduled and to get completed. And in addition to that, lenders are working from home. So processes are slowing down. We've typically planned about 35 to 40 days from acceptance of the offer to closing. But right now, be prepared for up to 60 days. You'll still have your signing. And once the deed is recorded, your purchase will be considered closed, and then you can receive the keys to your home. So, process still matters. You're going to get your financing first. You're going to look at homes with your realtor online. You can then take a physical showing of 2 to 4 homes, only those that are real contenders. Once you figure out which one you like, your agent is going to help you write the offer. You're going to hire an inspector. Once you're good on the inspection and any negotiated repairs have been taken care of, the lender is going to order the appraisal, which you as the buyer will pay for directly to the appraiser. You and your lender will then finalize your financing. You'll sign your purchase documents in person. Sorry guys, these documents are still not electronic. You can work with the title company though and find out about things like mobile notary options or what kind of safety precautions they have in their offices. Then once your deed is recorded with the county, your agent will let you know how to receive the keys to your home. So that is 5 minutes on how to buy a home in our new COVID-19 marketplace. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Marilee Norden with eXp Realty in the Sedona and the Verde Valley.